shining like some sequins. Hair from overseas, it look like I don't speak no English. I look so expensive, he paying my expenses. You the help or do the dishes, yeah, my wrist is be on fishes. Ballin' on the defense, shining like some sequins. Hair from overseas, it look like I don't speak no English. Lord, no English, I don't speak no English. No English, no English, I don't speak no English. I'm with your nigga at the bank.
Hey Mocha gang, it's your girl Mocahantas, and today I'm gonna show y'all how I made my intro on CapCut and on Viva Video. So first we're just gonna go in and type in intro, and then we're going to click create and done. Once you do that, we're just going to click on that plus sign and hit video, and I'm just going to go in and find my background. You could also use a picture and just stretch it out. So then I'm going to click on photo, and I'm going to go in and add a photo that already has the background cropped out. To crop your background, just go on PixArt, or you could also do it on the eraser app. I did it mine on PixArt, and it automatically does it for you. You can refer to my logo video if you want to learn how. So yes, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the photo at the bottom that's highlighted. I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. That way you can stretch it and move it over. And you can also make it longer. By making it longer, you just hold that bar and stretch it as long as you want it to be. Then I'm going to click the plus sign again, and I'm going to click on video and add the video that matches the picture that's up there. To crop the video, I'm just going to go ahead and slide the bars and make it shorter to the point that where I want them to be, and also so it's the same length as the picture that's up above it. I'm just going to go ahead and move it over and also make it bigger and make sure it's no pink showing. You do not want your background to be showing on the video part. Next, I'm going to continue to do the same thing. I'm going to go in and put a picture, then I'm going to go under and put a video. You adding another picture on the same line, just try to match it up as best as possible. But if you can't, it's okay, because we're going to go in and add transitions anyway, so you really cannot tell. So once you add a video, just make sure everything is the same length. That's the only thing that you're really aiming for. Here, I'm just going to go in and hit the stopwatch, and I'm just going to make the video just a little bit faster because it's a certain part that I wanted you to see. Also, if you screen recorded something, make sure that you crop out the red part at the top, because I forgot to do that in this video. I recreated this video. This is not the video I did with my intro, so it's going to look a little different. So to crop a video another way, you can click on the scissors and just delete the second part of the video you want gone. That's another way if you want to crop it a different way. And here I'm going to go back on that first line and add the video again because it's just a little bit too short. So I'm just going to add this video, and I'm going to click on that square at the bottom, and I'm just going to crop it so it's not too long and I can make it the same size as the picture. So once you line all your pictures and your videos up, you're just going to clip and split it right here. You're going to hit the scissors, and then you're going to push the trash can to delete it. That's the second way you can delete it, or you can click on it and just, take it all the way down to where you need it. So yes, then after that, we're just going to go in, add a photo, and we're going to add this phone. When you add the phone, you have to go to iPhone or Galaxy phone, whatever phone you want, PNG, and you can just add that. So I'm just going to go in and add this over all the videos that I want it on. So I'll be back later, y'all. Once you go in and add the phone over all your videos, you're going to hit that arrow up there and you're going to save it. Once you save it, you're going to open Viva Video, and then we're going to go in and click on edit. Once you edit, pull up the video that you just saved. Now we're going to go in and we're just going to go ahead and split every time it ends. You're going to go ahead and hit them scissors and split. You'll see what I'm doing. That's why I said it don't matter if it lines up, because once you split it, we're going to put a transition there and it's going to make it look a whole lot better. Okay? Okay. So once you have split them all, like I said, we're going to go in and add our transitions by clicking on it. You can just go ahead in and see which ones you want. The first one, I use the star one because that's my favorite one. Okay, so you're just going to go in and add a transition. Play with it and you find the one that you like, and it makes it look a lot better. As you see, you can't even see that I was messing it up. So that's the good part about it. So yes, go in and pick your transitions. And yes, honey, it's going to look so good. Once I do that, at the bottom, I'm just going to click on text and FX. Once you do that, you're going to click on add text, and you're just going to add your name and certain things that you want to add. To change the color, I go to styles, and to change the font, I go to font. So yes, once I do that, you hit the check and you'll be right back to the screen. You can add emojis and anything you want to make it look cute. And I'm just going to do the same thing right here again. I'm going to add both of my Instagrams. And then I'm going to go in and click this plus sign. And you can click on at the bottom, add text to do it again. So yes, y'all, I'll be back. I'm just going to click on add text right here, and I'm going to add what my channel is about. Of course, it's about my business, BOUJEE, and I also do music, and I also do vlogs. So yes, and I'm just going to put a cute flower, change the color pink, make the outline white, and make it bigger. Yes, so once you finish all of your text, you're going to go ahead and hit that back arrow, and it's going to take you back to these. You're going to click on sticker. Once you click on sticker to find the Instagram stuff, you have to go to SNS. So I'm just going to find the Instagram logo to put next to my Instagram name. When you do this, you want to make sure that the sticker that you put lines up with the text that you put so it can go in and out at the same time. So to find the follow that I use, if you want to find a GIF, you have to go to the section that says GIF, and then you can type it in and search for exactly what you're looking for. I use this for the follow. I use this for the pink hearts because I don't do that in this video. You can also find the hearts for Instagram and everything that you're looking for, the follow, everything. You can literally find that in GIF. Just search for it. Okay, so I'm just going to go in and I'm going to add another sticker. This is an effect, and I like this effect because it blows across the screen. Now, I don't know where I got the flower effect from. It probably was in GIF. I couldn't find it in this video, so I wound up just using one that looks like it. But yes, you use the effect. Yeah, so then I'm just going to go in to add sticker, do the same thing, GIF, and type in subscribe. Once you do that, I'm going to click it, and once the box is around it, you can make it bigger by pulling it down. And yes, just make sure you put it in the place that you want it to be. Then next, we're going to go to music. You're going to click back and you're going to go to music. Once you do that, you just want to add the song that you want. I'm adding No English. Make sure y'all check that out because that's me, honey. But anyway, yes, y'all, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Make sure y'all comment down below. And I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.
Shining like some sequins, hair from overseas. It look like I don't speak no English. I look so expensive. He paying my expenses.